In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Notion database to Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean spreadsheet version of your Notion data that you can sort, analyze, and share with ease. First, open the Notion website in your browser and sign into the workspace where your database lives. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one so you export the right content. Next, navigate to the page that contains the database you want to export. This could be a full-page database or a database block inside a larger page. If you use different views like table, board, or list, remember that Notion will export the underlying data. So it's a good idea to switch to the view that best represents what you want to see in Excel. Apply any filters or sorts beforehand if you want the exported file to mirror your current setup. Once you're on the page with your database, look to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the page menu. From there, select Export. This opens the Export Options panel where you'll choose the format. Pick Markdown and CSV. This is the key choice because Notion exports databases as CSV files within that option, and CSV is fully compatible with Excel. If you're exporting a page that contains multiple databases or subpages, you may see an option to include subpages. Enable that if you want everything bundled together. You can also keep the default settings for most cases, as Excel reads CSV files without any special adjustments. Now, click Export. Notion will prepare a download, usually as a compressed .zip file. When the download finishes, locate it in your browser's Downloads folder and unzip it. Inside, you'll find one or more .csv files, each corresponding to a database you exported. That CSV file opens directly in Excel on both Windows and Mac OS. If you double-click it, Excel should launch and display your data in columns. A couple of quick tips for smoother results. Multi-select and relation properties from Notion often appear as comma-separated values in a single cell. That's normal and can be split in Excel if needed. Dates and numbers typically transfer well, but you can reformat columns in Excel to match your preferred style. If your database uses filters, the export respects the data in the current view. If you want everything, clear filters before exporting. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Notion database to a CSV that opens perfectly in Excel, ready for further analysis or sharing.